Hi guys, David here from the Property Centre, and I'm here to present this one-bedroom modern town centre flat. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So there we are guys, that was the town centre, one bedroom flat. If you do like the look of the property and would like to arrange a viewing or make an application, or indeed if you have your own property you'd like a valuation on, please don't hesitate to contact us at the office.